Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 675. So to solve this, for my left-hand side, I'm going to start by factoring out 9 to the power of x. So I get 9 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 675. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so I get 9 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 675. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So I get 9 to the power of x is equal to 225. Now from here, 9 is the same thing as 3 squared, so I get 3 squared to the power of x is equal to 225. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of n to the power of m. So this is also equal to 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 is equal to 225, meaning I can take the square root on both sides. The square root of 3 to the power of x squared is just 3 to the power of x, and the square root of 225 is positive negative 15. However, you can't take the power of a positive number and make it negative, so it's actually only positive 15. So now I have 3 to the power of x is equal to 15, and now to solve this, I'm going to take the log on both sides, so I get log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 15. Now if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, this is equal to b times log a. So I get x times log 3 is equal to log 15. So x is equal to log 15 over log 3. Now I'm going to simplify this a little more. Log 15 is equal to log of 5 times 3. And if I have something in the form log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So I get log of 5 plus log of 3 over log of 3, which is equal to log 5 over log 3 plus 1, which is equal to log base 3 of 5 plus 1. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to 64. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by rewriting 64 as 8 squared. So I get x to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to 8 squared. Now, I'm going to rewrite 8 squared as the fourth root of 8 to the power of 4 squared, because the fourth root of 8 to the power of 4 is just 8, so this is just 8 squared. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, so it's going to equal the fourth root of 8 to the power of 4 times 2, because the 4 and 2 multiply, which is equal to the fourth root of 8 to the power of 8, which is the same thing as the fourth root of 8 to the power of the fourth root of 8 to the power of 4, because the fourth root of 8 to the power of 4 is just 8. And this means that x is equal to the fourth root of 8, because it's in the form x to the power of x to the power of 4, and x in this case is the fourth root of 8.